Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study the next exercise, exercise 3.6, and in this exercise we will discuss K method. What is K method and why we use K method? K method is actually used for conditional equalities involving the proportions. The equation that are in the form of ratios and proportions, we use K method. Like if A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, then each of the ratio you have to replace equals to K. Here let me clear one more thing, that exercise 3.4 and exercise 3.6 are having same questions, but how we can differentiate that, whether we are going to apply theorems of invertendo, alternando, comparendo, dividendo, or we are going to apply K method. In exercise 3.4, the first question is that you have to prove A ratio B is equal to C ratio D if equation is given to you. So first word that is written over there is prove. So wherever it is written in the start that you have to prove, you have to use componendo, dividendo, alternando, invertendo theorem. But in exercise 3.6, the first statement is starting from the word if. If A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, then show that this equation is equal or not equal. We will study later on. So the main difference is, if there is a prove word in the statement in the very start of the equation, then you will use componendo, dividendo, invertendo, alternando theorem. But if there is written if in the statement in the very start, then you will use K method. Coming towards question number 1. Question number 1 is, if A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, where A, B, C, D are not equal to 0, then show that. If is written in the first and show that is written in the last. So coming towards the first part, that is 4a minus 9b over 4a plus 9b equals to 4c minus 9d over 4c plus 9d. Here the proportion is A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. You have to perform that step in every question. A ratio B can be written in the form of A over B, C ratio D can be written in the form of C over D. For solving the proportions using K method, we have to replace each ratio equals to K. So A over B is equal to C over D is equal to K, A over B is equal to K, and C over D is equal to K. Then the next step is that A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. Coming towards the left hand side, 4a minus 9b over 4a plus 9b. Here replacing A with BK, we get 4 into BK minus 9B, 4 into BK plus 9B. Here you can see in the numerator and denominator B is common. So B into 4K minus 9 over B into 4K plus 9. B will be cancelled with B. The remaining term will be 4K minus 9 over 4K plus 9. Coming towards the right hand side is 4C minus 9D and 4C plus 9D. Replacing C with DK in equation, we get 4 into DK minus 9D and 4 into DK plus 9D. In the numerator and denominator D is common, so we will write D into 4K minus 9 and D into 4K plus 9. D will be cancelled with D, so the remaining term will be 4K minus 9 over 4K plus 9, and here you can see the left hand side and right hand side are equal, so hence it is proved. Then question number 1, if A ratio B is equal to C ratio D, then A, B, C, D is not equal to 0, then show that A over B is equal to square root A square plus C square over B square plus D square. So the solution is A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. A over B is written as A over B. C ratio D is written as C over D. A over B is equal to C over D is equal to K. A over B is equal to K, C over D is equal to K, A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. Now coming towards the left hand side, that is A over B, replacing A with BK in equation, we get BK over B, where B will be cancelled with B and the remaining term will be K. So left hand side answer is K. Coming towards the right hand side, that is square root A square plus C square over B square plus D square. Replacing A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK in equation, we get square root A square plus C square over B square plus D square was the equation. We have to replace the value. So instead of A, we will write BK whole square, and when we will take the square of that, it will become B square K square. Then instead of C, we will write DK whole square. It will become D square K square over b square plus d square will remain same. Now you can see in the numerator k square is common. We will take the common k square into b square plus d square over b square plus d square, and on the outer side we will write this, we will draw the square root. B square plus d square are same, so it will be cancelled. Now the remaining term will be k square and the square root is equal to 1 by 2, so square and square root will be cancelled and the remaining answer will be k. So it means left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved.